Time to descale the coffee machine, and this is the one I use from Active. It's Active Coffee Machine Descaler, and this one works on those 1 cup as well as the full carafe cup coffee maker. One bottle does have 32 ounces and can last for up to 8 uses. Should be descaling your machine at least once a month, so this lasts for about 8 months. The way you're going to use it is you're going to drop 4 ounces of this in the water reservoir, fill up the rest with water, and then just start running it through the machine. Now, run it on the clean cycle, depending on what your machine does. If you have the carafe in there, it's probably going to take 2 pots in there. I usually do 3. And if you have the single coffee cup machine, then you're going to have to run it 1 cup after the other until it cleans it out, going again through 2 reservoirs. I usually do 3. It's going to make sure that your machine lasts and stays good. All that gunk in its sprouts or whatever's inside is getting cleaned out. You're going to find that after using this, your coffee just tastes so much better afterwards. This product is made in the USA. We've actually used the Active products in our dishwashers and our washing machines, coffee makers, all that stuff. If you are using it to clean out a Ninja machine, it's going to take about 75 minutes to do that. It does run it through and has a lot of pauses in it. As you can see here, it started 75 minutes. If you start finding your coffee tastes kind of funky and it hasn't been that long since it has been descaled, even if the cleaning button isn't on, go ahead and clean it out. It's just going to make it so much better. I've tried several other coffee machine descalers. This one is the one I have stuck to and absolutely love it. Go ahead and check it out. Links to everything that you see here is going to be in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and do all the things you're supposed to do to help the channel out.